Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Stop saying "can you repeat" again and again. Today I will show you some better, smarter and more fluent ways to say it. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Phrase 1. I am sorry, I didn't catch that. Break it down. I am sorry, I didn't catch that. Now slowly. I am sorry, I didn't catch that. Repeat after me. I am sorry I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? Use it when you didn't hear someone clearly. Phrase 2. Could you please repeat that? Break it down. Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? Repeat after me. Could you please repeat that? This is polite and formal, great for meetings or interviews. Phrase 3. Would you mind saying that again? Would you mind saying that again? Would you mind saying that again? Say it with me. Would you mind saying that again? This is gentle and sounds very natural in English. Phrase 4. I didn't quite get that. I didn't quite get that. I didn't quite get that. Repeat it. I didn't quite get that. Perfect when you understand a little but not fully. Bonus phrase. Could you rephrase that, please? Could you rephrase that, please? Practice. Could you rephrase that, please? Use when the meaning is confusing, not just the words. Tips to remember. Don't just say what or ha. It's rude. These phrases make you sound polite and fluent. Practice speaking slowly, then naturally. Use them in daily conversations to build confidence. Quick recap. Let's repeat all the phrases quickly. 1. I am sorry I didn't catch that. 2. Could you please repeat that? 3. Would you mind saying that again? 4. I didn't quite get that. 5. Could you rephrase that, please? Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah for more practical English lessons like this. Speak smart, speak with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.